Mustang Coupe. All right, guys, I made it. I'm at Gateway Classic Cars, and of course, I'm in the driveway, and I've got to shoot a video because there you go, Yellow Mustang Club. There's a 5.0 very yellow Mustang. So yes, there are clubs for all different kinds of members: red Mustangs, yellow Mustangs, black Mustangs. They're out there. So if you're looking to be in a club and you got a loud Mustang color, or I guess one that's somewhat obtuse too, there's a club for you. So it's very remote somewhat out here at Gateway Classic Cars in West Deptford, New Jersey. That's the outside. It took me for a second to figure it out the first time I got here, but my GPS from my Apple iPhone got me right to the door. So we're out in a business park out here in West Deptford. Let's get ready to shoot some video with Amanda. Not the best lighting, but hey, it is an SN95. Remember Auto Body Men days? The Cobra project? If you haven't, check it out. I'll set up a link, hopefully, if I remember when I'm editing this video, and it would be up there if I did. If I didn't, let me know. All right, here we go, heading into Gateway Classic Cars in West Deptford, New Jersey. Did you get my joke? Did you get my joke when you said we can do it out here? And we can do it out there?
Yeah.
All right. I was being funny. This is?
My name is Vasil.
Vasil. How do you spell that?
V-A-S-I-L.
Where did that name come from anyway?
Ukraine.
Ukraine?
Yeah.
Is there a lot of Vasils in Ukraine?
Yep.
Well, this Ukrainian owned, dun dun dun, you know I've got to put him on video, a 1971 fastback. And he just showed me a very rough video, but that was it your first car?
It was my first car.
How old were you?
16.
16?
Bought it not running. It was all rusty, primered black. Got it running with my brother, and that's it.
He's cool.
I drove it for like a couple summers, and then I sold it.
He's cooler than I am. I just saw a white fastback when I was in high school. I drove a 63 Falcon convertible. Wasn't as cool as your car. No. So anyway, how many Fox bodies have you owned?
How many Fox bodies have I owned? 7 or 8. I don't know. I lost count. And
they're all notchbacks, guys. He showed me all these pictures, all these beautiful cars. So see, there is people out there that just love on those Fox bodies, and I know you guys are out there. I said to him, I go, well, the Fox body is kind of for like, it's kind of like for a 21-year-old that just wants to do burnouts and go down the track. And he's like, yeah, that's me.
That was me when I was 21.
Yeah, I was just being really mellow in a Falcon, but it's my first car. I changed the engine out, which is cool. Anyway, here we go with Gateway Classic Cars, doing a bunch of cars, and these are the people that are here, good people. All right, this is bad lighting, but this is Amanda, and she works at Gateway Classic Cars. Are you like a representative selling the cars?
No, I help bring the cars in for my sales team to be able to sell them.
So you're like a car hunter.
Yep.
Nice. All right, we're gonna do a bunch of videos. Some are gonna be MustangMedic. Most are gonna be Gateway Classic Cars, and here we go. I think I've done like long enough video for just a completely introduction video of Gateway Classic Cars. And you're saying, Will, why are you still talking? Show us the cars. I understand. I'm going to do it. Here we go.
1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3, go.